All right, we're up and running. Well, this is Brother Obiko Hini Ill, also known as kendall.king L. I got to do that name change correction stuff. But anyway, I'm here because I got an opportunity and that the world's going crazy and it's over energy. And so I want to do something with this thing that just blew through the East Coast. And so I am going to turn some of this back here into fuel, hydrogen gas. So I'm going to take some snow and I'm going to put it in this here bucket here, and then I'm going to melt it, and then I'm going to distill it, and then I'm going to put it in a device that I have that I'm going to put on camera in just a second. I'm going to let all that melt, and then after I melt it and distill it, I'm going to put it in this. And then I'm going to add a little bit of potassium hydroxide. I'm going to apply power to one negative here, positive there, DC. And then I'm going to separate it into hydrogen, oxygen, gas, have a balloon attached to this port here. I'm going to capture that in a balloon, and then I'm going to cut it off, remove it from here, put flame to it, and you'll see it blow up like a black cat firecracker from fucking snow. All right, stay tuned. All right, stay warm, y'all. All right, here we are, slowly watching the snow melt, getting prepared. Got my threader here. I got some stainless steel rods that I've got to thread, and I'm going to use that tool right there to do it with the set for this. And I'm going to try to get some plastic bolts and nuts so I can make another one, perforated steel this perforated steel version one that I designed. But yeah, getting ready to get things together so we can make some boom boom with some hydrogen. Stay tuned. Okay, rolling up the sleeves, getting ready to do this finally. Finally got my distiller here. It took me a lot longer to get here than I thought. It was supposed to be 2 days, but it ended up being almost a week. So in any case, I got this snow here that I'm going to put in here to help bring the steam of the water back into condensed water, which then will drain into this ball glass jar there. And when I was digging up, I got a bunch of water in here that I'm going to use. That you saw me take video of, like packed to the top full of snow. There's about maybe a third of it in here. So yeah, it melted down pretty quick. So if I need more, I'll throw some more snow in. But anyway, I'm going to put this water in that bucket, and then we're going to get going. So first thing, disassemble this. Take this off. And pour our water in. That's to be about 2/3 all the way up here. Throw this on. Turn the heater on high. Connect the hose back up. Copper tube. And clamp down the sides. All right, so now let's just let everything heat up, boil, turn to steam, condense back into here. Then I put it in here, and then we apply power to this, and I'll put a balloon on top of this, and I'll put flame to it, and it'll blow up like a black cat firecracker, all from snow. This is Maxim Technologies, Brother Beku. Peace. Okay, this is about an hour after I got started. Finally started really heating up. I had to put the spoon in here because basically that was happening, shooting all out and losing all out of the water. So you can see it's starting to accumulate, and so I figure about two and a half of these, and I should be able to put it in the regular cell and get a balloon and get the electrolysis going, and boom boom. An update. I got about half. Got more coming. Been putting more snow. Went out and got more snow. Just keeping the coils cold as possible to get that condensation to get this thing done, so we can get to the boom boom. But yeah, things going well. At the temperature there for the what's being boiling. Just doing water to fuel. All right. All right, it is 6:04. We're about ready to pour this into that one there, which will get us close to the top, a little bit more than that. But basically, so far, it's about 2 hours of distilling. Still at 212, so I know I'm just doing nothing but boiling water. If it goes any higher than that, I know I'm out of water and time to turn it off. But yeah, still some more to go, and but yeah, things are going well. From snow to fuel, here we go. Okay, it's time to swap out or fill up. So yeah, push this aside. Watch yourself. Slide that underneath. Take this and pour this into there, which gets us almost there, maybe just a touch more, and we'll be good to go. Then the next stage will just be to um, get the balloon and charge it up. All right. Okay, we've got enough, so we're going to turn the power off. Remove the spoon. Pour what we need left to do. So that's more than enough. So that's kind of what we want, about that much. So yeah, we'll throw some potassium hydroxide, get a balloon, apply power, and yeah, let's see the conclusion to this little process. All right, there we go. All right, one thing I want to do is to see how much water we actually boiled off, so I'm going to undo everything and take a look. Let me get this. We got quite a bit left. All right. So you can see it was about 2/3 full, and now we're pretty much still about half full. So, I'm sorry, let me get this off this shot. But yeah, that's what we got left. All good to go. All right, next stage. All right, well, I'm down here now with the water in the fuel cell. I got my balloon, had to go out and get that. And what I'm going to do is put some potassium hydroxide, which is what's in this, and then hook it up. So we put about a teaspoon, swish it around, let it dissolve a bit. And that's the electrolyte that helps it basically separate the molecules, uh, hydrogen from oxygen, and then turns into gas. So, left lead here. I'll do this. Probably should have had this done earlier anyway. Negative lead. Oops, wrong one. Polarity is important. I'm going to plug it into the DC outlet right here, and we should get power. And see everything turn into nice fuzzy shapes. Foam. Not see anything. All right, so we got an issue with power supply. That way. Nope. All right, so we got an issue with the power that we got to work out. So we'll try again tomorrow. But I think we need to let this charge up some more. All right, that'll be it for tonight. But yeah, tomorrow's the 17th anniversary from when I first did my first install. And yeah, and this is going to be the first one made out of snow. All right, talk to you tomorrow. All right, let's do its thing, and then we'll try it again. Scientific method, kids. Sometimes it takes more than once. This is inflating much quicker, much quicker. All right. There you go. That's what it's about. That all white stuff, that's what it came from. Water to fuel. There you go.